Are you a stir-frying novice? Does everything you try to stir-fry turn into a mushy, burnt, sticky mess? Well, peeps, you're in the right place because today I'm going to give you my top 5 tips for perfect stir-frying. I am going to turn you into a... And if you stick around, I've got a fantastic bonus tip for you right at the end of this video. Tip number 1. Slice your meat and your vegetables thinly and evenly so they stir fry quickly and come together at the same time. Slicing the meat and the vegetables thinly and evenly will allow them to cook really quickly, which is the whole essence of Chinese stir frying. And as a bonus, this could save you money in your energy bills too. Stir frying happens real fast, so it's really important that you have all your ingredients lined up in the order that they go into the wok or the pan. Therefore, this keeps the whole process fast and smooth and you don't get confused or put things in the wrong order. So in order to stir fry perfectly, you must get your wok or your pan smoking hot before you put the oil in. Remember that, hot wok, cold oil. This helps create an even better non-stick barrier between the ingredients and your wok or your pan, and most importantly facilitates the really quick searing and cooking of your thinly sliced meat and vegetables. Once you've got your ingredients in your smoking hot wok or pan, make sure that you keep them moving by stirring or tossing your wok or your pan to ensure that they do not stick or burn, and it also ensures that all the ingredients are cooked evenly and quickly. If you're making stir-fry dishes with a sauce, it is often necessary to thicken these sauces. The best things to do this with are either cornstarch / corn flour or potato starch, both of which you use in the same way. You make it into what they call a slurry, so about a tablespoon of either one into a little pot, add a little bit of cold water, give it a stir so it all becomes nicely mixed up, and add some right at the end of your cooking process, and this will give you a nice silky smooth sauce. Of course you can always use flour instead, but this tends to give you a more gloopy, gravy-like sauce. Cornstarch or corn flour or potato starch are definitely the ways to go. So guys, that has been my 5 top tips on stir fry heaven. Now go forth and become a wok god. Right guys, congratulations, you've made it to the end of my video. And my bonus tip is always velvet your meat. Now velveting is a Chinese technique often used to tenderize meat. You can use this on beef, chicken, pork, lamb. All you have to do is add half a teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate or baking powder and 1 teaspoon of corn flour or cornstarch and mix that into your ready sliced meat. Set aside for about half an hour to an hour, and you will come back to the tenderest, most melt in your mouth pieces of meat that you've ever had. And if you want to check out my full video tutorial on how to velvet meat, then click on this video right here. Today I'm going to turn you into a wok god. Is that how to do it? To turn you into a wok god. Right.